Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am sharing with you a delicious and healthy recipe, glazed carrots. Carrots are full of vitamin A, good for your eyesight, boost your immunity and keep your skin glowing. So let's begin. Ingredients you will need: 2 teaspoons brown sugar, 1/2 tablespoon butter, 1/4 cup stock, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 kilogram carrots, 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon chopped parsley, and black pepper to taste. Method: first, peel, wash and cut the carrots into round slices. In a saucepan, add brown sugar, butter, stock, salt and 1/4 cup water. Bring this to a boil, add the carrots, reduce the heat to medium, cover and cook until the carrots are tender, about 5 to 8 minutes. Remove the carrots and boil the liquid until it slightly reduces. Return the carrots to the pan and stir until they are well coated with the shiny glaze. Finally, add lemon juice and chopped parsley. Season with black pepper and your glossy, flavorful glazed carrots are ready to serve. Friends, this dish is not only tasty but also full of health benefits. Carrots improve digestion, help control blood pressure, and are a wonderful low-calorie food for your diet. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. And yes, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. Stay healthy, stay happy and try this recipe. Bye!